beach.
Damn, this thing is mad dirty though. But I can't get over the fact of how nice this thing sounds. But we gotta clean it up because they got it dirty. Is it raining? Check out this back view. Now we're gonna give the car a little wash, but guys, I'm just gonna say this. We're not even done with the back. We still got something else to put on just to complement the exhaust and just the back in general. So stay tuned for that. But I'm just gonna wash the car real quick. Man, this car cleans up real nice. I just can't get over the fact. I can't. Check this out. All right, it's nighttime. You guys already see this. The car is clean and someone got an exhaust. Now the car is clean, but guess who we're meeting to get some nice flames for you guys? We're gonna meet up with Maxima. You know, you guys know him, this Bigama. So we're waiting for him right now real quick, and then we're gonna go and shoot some flames from this guy right here. Oh, I gotta get that light fixed. Look at that. But yeah, car's clean. Get some nice rollers, quick rollers or whatever. So guys, these rollers and everything, you also see them on Instagram. So follow me at RealGMaxine, somewhere around here. I don't know where, but yeah, this is how the car is looking. So nah, we're gonna wait for this Bigama, and he should be coming around anytime now. Look who showed up. Damn, this car looks so good in person. And his boys.
Man, oh man.
Yo, what's going on?
Love seeing this thing, man.
What's happening?
Right out of work.
Yeah, man, you already know.
Oh,
You come with the gang all the time.
got to, always.
Bro, camera does not do the car justice. It looks so menacing. Yo, it's good. All right, we're getting some shots with the flames. With the squad. Yeah, we're getting some shots and stuff for you guys, so, you know. But yeah, guys, that car is gonna be swapped, 60 swap. And it's not gonna be just low. It's gonna actually be racing and doing a lot of performance stuff, so. I can hear the little pops. Honestly, we're one of the two people that have like muffly, straight pipe. When I used to have a straight pipe, that could do pops like that. No headers, no tune, no nothing. Man, it's so bright outside, but oh man. What a day, what a day. I just woke up. I got home late and started editing and things like that. And I'm up early. But guys, give a round of applause, woohoo, to the car, because the car took all the abuse of the flames of everything. Shout out to Nismo Maxima and his homies for, for helping me out, getting those 6 rollers for me. So if you guys want to see more videos and like different things, follow me at RealGMaxine on Instagram and you will see more reels and everything on the car. So, but yeah, with that being done and said, guys, remember, God is good. Put him first always. He loves you. So love him back. Look for him. And remember, I'll see you guys later.